Hello family, today we are making wheat flour bofrot or puff puff, and I'm measuring 3 cups of wheat flour, some sugar, salt. I have milk powder, I have some margarine, dry yeast, nutmeg, and then here baking powder. So I'm going to be adding my water step by step to make sure that I get the right consistency that I want. You can also go ahead and use your bare hand to do this, but I am using my spatula, and you can see the color is totally different because this is wheat flour. It's not the normal all-purpose flour. So I'm doing this overnight, so I'm going to leave it overnight because I want to fry it in the morning for breakfast. And then I just cover this and allow it to sit down overnight. So it's been the next day, so you can see all the bubbles on top. So you can see this is already rise. It has rise very well. And I'm just going to mix this together for about 1 minute before I will go ahead to fry. So if you don't like wheat flour, you can use the normal bread flour or all-purpose flour to do this. And if you don't like the bread flour, you can also use your wheat flour, which is very healthy. So I went ahead to fry, and make sure you fry on a medium heat because you want your bofrot to be well fried both in and out. You don't want it to get burnt on the outside while the inside will be raw. So here I'm done. You can see how the color has changed. It has been fried very well. And I'm just going to take it out of the oil, and I will keep on repeating the process until I am done frying. So I'm done now, and here I have my wheat bofrot. This bofrot is very healthy. It's delicious. This is wheat flour, and the color is not the same as the normal flour bofrot. And you can see it is well fried, and you can pair this with your house cocoa, with your tea, with your coffee, with your chocolate, anything. So I hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.